Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm really excited to share this brand new channel to you, and looking forward to sharing a lot more great content with you. And I'm Aaron Keller, Operations Manager for Resurgence Gear Australasia. I've been with the company for close to about 9 years now, right from the start. Actually, it's amazing to see. I came in, I think it was only 1 or 2 boxes right from the start, and 2, large shipments coming into today. So really a huge thanks to all you guys, and really honestly with all my heart and all the team say a huge thanks to you, because if it wasn't for you guys we wouldn't be where we are today. And I really appreciate all the feedback that we get and you guys supporting the brand, and really wholeheartedly say that. So thank you to you guys. What's this channel about? We're going to be sharing a lot of great content. So we're looking at showing you individual items on the mannequin and giving you full breakdowns on each item, so you really understand what you're actually purchasing, from the jeans, the jackets, to the gloves, or some of the accessories, and even going into detail on how to measure and get the right fitting item. So I would talk about the 100% guarantee. So if you're not 100% satisfied, if it's not fitting quite right, please remember, just leave the tags on, send it back in perfectly clean condition, and once it's back, we'll exchange it, process it, and send it back free of charge. Now, you do have the upgraded option, which is subsidized. It normally costs us about $40. It's way less than that. I think it's under half. Yeah, it is under half that price for DHL Express. And they're fantastic. And sometimes here in Hamilton, New Zealand, which is where one of our warehouses is, we can send an item to Australia, sometimes like Melbourne, overnight, which is absolutely incredible. We can't even do that here in New Zealand, and sometimes even in Australia. I know it can be a nightmare as well over there with the internal couriers for yourself. So that's fantastic. And we've got another warehouse over in Maroochydore, Australia, Queensland. So that's fantastic. We're able to pull stock from both locations. And of course, we still run out because you guys love the gear so much, and really, yeah, we struggle to keep up at times. What else we're going to be sharing? When I'm out on the bike, I've got a helmet mount where the GoPro hooks onto, and also a microphone. So you get to see locations of interest. You'll get to see me actually in the gear, and love being on the bike, as we all love. At the end of the day, that's what we're there for. And what motorcycling is for me is it's like meditation, and I just love it. And just being out there with my friends, the twisties, the turns, the beautiful locations here in New Zealand and Australia. And I'm hoping some of those friendly retailers that I already stock over in Australia that will actually lend me a bike, and I'll take my helmet along with me, and go out for a ride over there as well. So please, yeah, if you're in one of those cities, or you do see me out and about, please do come say hello. And I love talking about the gear, or Resurgence Gear, or the motorcycles. Or maybe we can go out for a ride, which would be fantastic. I'd love to do that. So yeah, so that's another thing, is we're going to be talking about our retailers around Australia and also in New Zealand. We just did recently a big trip of South Island just before we went down into lockdown in Hamilton here. So we're able to see a lot of locations. Now it's fantastic. You'll be able to see me go into these stores, and you see the staff. Sadly, because of COVID, it's a bit hard to talk in that, but you'll see a bit of a breakdown of that retailer, where they're located, and also the friendly staff, and also the gear inside. So that's really exciting. So we'll be doing that here in New Zealand and also Australia. So looking forward to sharing with that. I'm pretty sure I'll be over in Australia next year. So looking forward to seeing friends and family, and seeing all the retailers, and all of those guys are great friends of mine too. So looking forward to catching up with you over there. What else are we going to be showing? So talking about maybe sizing, individual items, see breakdowns. We're also looking at, do check out our review page as well. resurgentgear.com.au or resurgentgear.co.nz, and check out the reviews on it, and you'll see the quality, the comfort, and even some of those people that sadly have put their the gear to the test and loved that the abrasion ratings held out for them, and that's fantastic to see. Just sadly for the beloved bike, obviously, and a lot of the time it's a write-off. But yeah, it gives me great confidence wearing the gear, which is fantastic. What else? So yeah, like and subscribe and follow along, and looking forward to sharing a lot more great content with you very soon. And thanks for now, and we'll see you on the next YouTube clip. Cheers.